Ever dreamt of creating your own digital currency? Phantom Mint makes it a reality. Phantom Mint is the brainchild of James and Max, designed to help you mint and launch meme coins, no coding skills required. Imagine creating your own crypto without an audience, upfront costs, or even revealing your identity. Yep, you heard that right, it's your new daily ritual, just mint, launch and profit. If you can click buttons and copy-paste, you've got what it takes. No upfront cost means no risk. It's like having unlimited lottery tickets. Each one could be your next big win. Phantom Mint keeps you anonymous while diving into the high-volatility world of decentralized finance. You'll discover James and Max's secret method, step-by-step guides, and jaw-dropping real-world results. This is for beginners, tech newbies, entrepreneurs, and anyone seeking financial freedom without showing their face. Ready to start your crypto journey? Click the link below and check out Phantom Mint for yourself. Mint, launch and profit anonymously.